Hydrohalogenation means addition of hydro means hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen. Halo means halogen. Addition of hydrogen along with halogen. Right, students? Now usually this is the addition of halogen acids to alkene molecule. Hydrohalogenation is the addition of halogen acids, that is addition of halogen acids. Halogen acids, right? Dear students, we know what are halogen acids. Halogen acid कौन कौन से हैं हमारे पास? We have HCl, right, HBr and HI. They are known as halogen acid. Alkenes usually react with aqueous solution of these halogen acids and form alkyl halides. Alkenes on reaction with aqueous solution of these halogen acids, right, and form alkyl halides. Now let's see the reaction. First of all, we see the general reaction. For example, we have an alkene molecule R CH double bond CH2. This is a general halogen acid, right, students? And how this halogen acid is added to the alkene molecule? Here you can notice the students, halogen acid, this is hydrogen and this is halogen. Electronegativity of halogen is greater as compared to hydrogen. Electronegativity of halogen is greater as compared to hydrogen in this molecule. So halogen has partial negative charge while hydrogen has partial positive charge. This is a polar molecule, right, in which halogen is partial negative and hydrogen has partial positive charge due to the electronegativity difference. Now students, when halogen acid is added to alkene molecule, how it is added? After the reaction, we get this product R CH X CH3. This negative part added to this carbon having less number of hydrogen forming the double bond, right, and hydrogen is added to this carbon. Negative part of this adding molecule goes to the carbon forming the double bond have less number of hydrogen, right, students? So in this way we get this product. Let's see a real example of alkene molecule where halogen acid is added. Suppose we have ethene molecule CH2 double bond CH2, and in this molecule if we want to add hydrogen chloride, here you can notice, student, this is a symmetrical alkene. Symmetrical alkene means both the carbon forming the double bond have equal number of hydrogen atoms, right? These two carbons, they are forming the double bond. This carbon has 2 hydrogen. Similarly, this carbon also has 2 hydrogen. So alkene molecule is symmetrical, right, student? But here you can notice the adding reagent. This adding reagent is unsymmetrical. Unsymmetrical means it is a polar molecule, right? It has partial negative and positive charges on the bonded atoms due to their electronegativity difference. Right, student? Chlorine is more electronegative. Its electron pulling power is greater as compared to hydrogen, so it will have partial negative charge on it. Hydrogen is less electronegative. Shared electron pair is away from this hydrogen, so this hydrogen has partial positive charge. Since there are partial charges on hydrogen and chlorine in hydrogen chloride, so this molecule is polar molecule, right? Or we can say this is the unsymmetrical adding reagent. But alkene molecule is a symmetrical molecule. So how addition takes place? किसी एक कार्बन में हाइड्रोजन ऐड हो जाएगा, ठीक है, और दूसरे कार्बन में क्लोरीन. सो आफ्टर द रिएक्शन वी गेट दिस प्रोडक्ट. सपोज हाइड्रोजन इज एडेड सपोज टू द फर्स्ट कार्बन, ठीक है. इट मे गोज टू सेकेंड कार्बन फॉर एडिशन. सपोज हाइड्रोजन इज एडेड टू द फर्स्ट कार्बन एंड क्लोरीन इज एडेड टू द सेकेंड कार्बन, राइट. सो आफ्टर द एडिशन here we have CH3, then CH2Cl. Right, students? So we get alkyl halide molecule, alkyl halide, which is ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride is formed. Dear students, we will discuss the mechanism by which ethyl chloride is formed. That is how hydrogen halides added to an alkene molecule. Let's see the mechanism of reaction. Mechanism of this reaction. Now, the addition of hydrogen halide to an alkene molecule takes place in two steps. There are two steps, right, by which hydrogen halides they are added to alkene molecule. We have two steps of the reaction. Let's see what is the step 1. First step of reaction. Now in the first step, alkene accept the pair of proton from hydrogen halide to form a carbocation. Suppose we have alkene molecule like this, ethene molecule. We have ethene. Right, student? And here we have, for example, we have HCl molecule, a polar molecule, right? Partial negative, partial positive. So what will happen here, students? Ethene accept proton from hydrogen halide with the help of this pi electron. Pi electron shifted on this hydrogen, right, to form sigma bond with this hydrogen. Direction of arrow show the direction of transfer of electrons. So we can say ethene accept hydrogen in the form of proton from this hydrogen chloride. Right, students? So after the acceptance of proton, a carbocation is formed. Hydrogen is added to one of the carbon. इस कार्बन में भी ऐड हो सकता है, इस कार्बन में भी ऐड हो सकता है, ठीक है स्टूडेंट. सपोज हाइड्रोजन इज एडेड टू द फर्स्ट कार्बन, हियर form sigma bond with the first carbon. Since this carbon becomes deficient of electron, right, so there is a plus charge on this carbon. We have a plus charge on this carbon. Carbon with plus charge is known as carbocation. So in this way, carbocation is formed in the first step. Here we have carbocation. Carbocation. Now students, let's see the second step of the reaction. Step 2. Now in the second step, the carbocation reacts with halide ion to form the product, right? So we will rewrite this carbocation over here, that is rewrite it, right? Make a plus charge on it, make a plus charge, and here we have a halidine. Which halidine is there, students? We have chloridine here. Chloridine is halidine. Now, with the help of negative charge, this halidine, it will attack on this carbocation. It will attack on this carbocation. Direction of arrow show the direction of transfer of electron. So this chloridine will form sigma bond with this carbon. So after the reaction, chloridine is added to this carbon. So we have a product like this. Here chloridine is added, right students? So addition of, in this way, halogen acids, they are added to an alkene molecule. Addition of an unsymmetrical alkene, addition of an unsymmetrical adding reagent to an unsymmetrical alkene takes place according to a rule that is known as Markovnikov's rule.